Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rohtas Kumar, Faculty of Technia Institute of Advanced Study from Management Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the concept of productivity. Hence we there know that productivity is the ratio of input facilities to the output of goods and service. The company must achieve high must factor productivity, which is the ratio of the market value of its output to the cost of all the resources which are required to produce output. So we can say that according to Ann Cherisher, productivity is a measurement of how much input is required to produce the given output which is required for the output into input. So there can be a number of measures which are indicating the level of performance corresponding to each input. In general sense, productivity is a measure of how much input is required to produce the given output. Inputs in a business organization can be labor, capital, etc., which can be measured expressed in terms of money value or in terms of quantity. So, in the most cases, output will be goods and service produced for which input will be man, money, machinery, material, power, plant, facilities and other items which can be used in the process of production. So all the input and output factors are measured in the same common unit. So productivity is a measurement of how well the resources are utilized to achieve the decided objective. So I hope you understand the topic of productivity. Thank you so much.